Ah, so cozy. Oh, hey! I didn't realize you'd be here so fast. Let me quickly show you around. How could I not take advantage of this cozy home? With a wood-burning fireplace, updated kitchen and bathroom, as well as a spacious bedroom, I feel ready to curl up inside with a book. Or even better, get to barbecuing outside on the sheltered patio while looking at the beautiful garden. Oh, sorry. I just came down here for a quick break. Let me show you around the community. With quick access to the beach and Granville Island, it's easy to relax any day. Just a short walk away from local breweries and restaurants, you can skip cooking and relax with friends. And with such a tight-knit and welcoming neighborhood, you're sure to feel right at home, even when out for an afternoon stroll. Okay, I'm gonna take advantage of this cozy place for now, but you can set up a private showing.